Struggling to edit a client description on your Namecheap site? I will show you exactly where to click to fix it fast. Now, you've probably been clicking around, hoping to find that one setting that lets you change what it says about your clients. It feels like it should be simple, but the menu can be a bit confusing. We're going to fix that right now. Here is the plan. We will go from your site editor over to the Clients section, and then we will update the description in just a few clicks. I am going to walk you through it step by step, using a real Namecheap site, so you can see exactly what I am seeing. All right, let us jump in. Start by opening your site in Namecheap's website builder. You want to be on the page where you actually edit everything, usually called the site editor or the dashboard. This is the central hub where you change your text, your images, and your layout. Once you are in the editor, look for the section labeled Clients. It is usually listed on the left-hand side of your screen in that main menu. Click on it. This will pull up all the client cards that are currently on your website. Now, click on the specific client that you want to edit. In this example, we will click on Client 1. A new panel or window will open up on the right side of the screen, showing you all the details for that specific person. And here is the really important part. You need to know exactly where to click to start typing. To edit the description, you first need to highlight the text area. Click directly on the text that says the description. You will see a blue highlight appear around that box. This tells Namecheap that this is the part you want to work on. After you highlight it, look for the button that says Continue and click on it. This confirms that you want to edit that specific piece of text. It might seem like an extra step, but it prevents you from accidentally moving the whole client card around when you just want to change the words. Now you can type or paste the new description. This is your chance to update the bio, fix that old typo, or add a new testimonial. Go ahead and make your changes. I have done this myself with a few clients, so I know how easy it is to miss this step and try to type without highlighting first. Do not forget to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the panel. Click it. This is a small step, but it is critical. I have seen people lose their changes because they forgot to save before moving on. Finally, preview the site and publish the update. It is always a good idea to click the Preview button first. This lets you see how your changes look on the actual live page. Check that everything is spelled right and that the formatting looks good. And then, once you are happy, hit the Publish button to make it live for everyone to see. And that is it. You went from being stuck with a wrong client description to confidently updating it in under 2 minutes. Now you know exactly where to go the next time you need to make a quick change. Go ahead and give it a try on your own site, and you will see just how fast it is.